limited time, unpredictable schedule, guilt, burned out, financial pressure, cultural expectation, to name a few. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Nancy, a fitness and wellness coach helping you reach goals. And it grieves my heart to see so many women burnt out, stressed out, frustrated, not able to reach their goals. And if you're not a mother bar, one of those girls are trying to help everybody basically save the world, this video is also for you. These time management and productivity tips are going to help you increase your productivity level, get grounded, and reach your goals. Tip number 1, setting priorities. I thought I had my priorities straight, but at the end of the day, I wasn't really completing them. Things happen, unpredictable schedules. I got a call from here, I got an email from there, and at the end of the day, I wasn't really completing them. So I had to change that. And the first thing that I did, I identified the important tasks. Identify what is important to you. Could be in relationships, finances, your health. Figure out what is important to you at that moment and prioritize it. Ranking tasks by priority is really important too. If your health is very important to you, then put it at the top of the list and do not let nothing come in between you and your goal. Set specific amount of time to each task in a monthly, weekly, and daily basis. I do this before the end of the month for my month's important tasks and goals, Sunday night for my week, and for the day ahead. Then I do this nightly. Doing things like that helps me, programs my mind to what is important for that month, week, and day. Doing it daily helps you to keep yourself accountable and responsible and not just randomly doing activities that have nothing to do with the prioritized activity or task. Then I was clear about my priorities and goals, but I did not have a solid schedule. Tip number 2, creating a schedule. Use a planner or a scheduling app. Block out time for the top 3 tasks when you cannot be interrupted so you can get in a state of focus and flow. There's some exceptions. If they're calling you from your kid's school, please answer the phone. I know, I've been there, done that when we're like, maybe it's not that important. Just answer the phone, please. Yes, I want you to get super focused and complete those tasks, but also allow for flexibility. Most days I can go for hours, 2-3 hours of complete focus, but there's days when I feel like I need to get up and stretch, and that really depends on your energy level. That's why proper nutrition, fitness, and rest is very important. It takes me less time to do it myself than to explain this to you. Have you thought that before? I'm one of those that I rather just do it myself than delegating. But this is our next one, and that is streamlining tasks. It is important to delegate some tasks to others, so that way you can free up some space for those things that you really need to focus on. Delegate tasks to others, automate tasks when possible, and simplify tasks to save time. Just the other day, I was running out of my favorite chips, and I thought, it'd be great if I can just order them. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna pay for the shipping. So I got into one of these shopping apps, and I was able to get all my chips with a free delivery. I was like, oh my gosh, I wish I would have done this before. Oh, but wait, I'm learning. I'm getting some good ideas. It's midnight. I need to wake up early tomorrow. Are you really learning, Nancy? Are you really getting some ideas? Nah, honestly, I'm just being highly entertained and I lost track of time and I don't care. Yeah, super guilty. Fourth tip is managing distractions, not only with social media, but also setting boundaries with family and friends. Yeah, it feels amazing when people call you and tell you all their problems and you're able to give them a word if you're the type of person. So really pay attention to who's taken away from you. It's good to be a shoulder for those friends that need it when it's absolutely needed. But it's another thing when people just come and dump all the problems, their issues on you. That is not fair. And that's not good for you or for them. Just for them to keep repeating the same story that is not really helping them at all. Okay, so yeah, it's better for them to go do some thinking. And sometimes what they really need is a therapist. Yeah, I said it. Another important thing to manage distraction is focusing on one thing at a time. I know I have ADHD. I know what it's like to complete things left and right and feel like you're on top of everything. You're not. I had to slow down my pace and focus on one thing at a time. It's so hard to just complete one task at a time. It's so much easier to be all over the place. I constantly have to correct myself because I kind of did this here, but then I want to jump on that, and then that's not really helping at all. And at the end of the day, you're kind of doing things half-hearted, and that's not a way to do it. Are you getting some value out of this video? Yes? Love you. And I know you're probably tired of me telling you the same thing. And if you haven't heard me enough, I'm leaving a video here. I'm sorry, I just have to get you on track. Your body is your temple. You gotta take care of your body, your fitness, your health, your nutrition. So every day you need to take care of your body, your soul, your spirit. And those things you do it by really taking the time to rest, relax, meditate. And yes, I'm leaving a link of videos that are going to help you feel amazing, get to that peak performance, and just I don't know, I just want to show you how it feels. It feels like amazing. Sleep. Are you getting plenty of sleep? That's another biggie one. I know some of you can get away with sleeping 6 hours a night. I need at least 7 hours, or 9 preferably. Sleep is very important. Please get plenty of it. Let's recap. Set priorities, create a schedule, streamline tasks, manage distractions, and self-care. Check out this vlog video right here where I show you what to eat, how to exercise, and different tips that are going to help you get your body, mind, and your soul in alignment with what you want. I hope it was helpful. Love you. Like it, subscribe, share it. Take care. See you in our next one. Adios.